Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the storm season. My God, this is the calm before the storm, literally. It already started raining now. I just came back from Thailand yesterday. The weather will be very bad for the next few days, but I'll keep you updated, so don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's start and check out the weather. I want to see how the ocean looks because it could be very rough. There's a typhoon lingering around in the East Sea here, a little bit south of China at the moment, but it will get completely towards us, and this time it will not be lightly, probably. Hopefully not. But as the Facebook and the official weather channels in Vietnam say, you have to be prepared, buy enough food for 2 to 3 days, and yeah, it will be very heavy rain, storm, and flooding, possible flooding. So, what a great birthday week I have. But it's okay. I will see. I think I'm still gonna be in the villa, and maybe I'm gonna live stream during the typhoon in the villa. We're gonna make a good time, so anyways. We're in the Antung area in Da Nang, and I'm not sure what the name is from this bad boy again. Let me check. There's a new name in the house. Always these weird names of those storms though. Let me check. So the name is Fengshen. Fengshen. This is how it will look. I will put that also somewhere online, but Fengshen. Typhoon Fengshen. Tropical storm number 12, I think. Yeah. I have my umbrella here. It is not too bad with the rain at the moment, to be honest. But yeah, this is just a calm. It will probably hit on 23rd the coastline here in Da Nang, and then go through into the center. It should be exactly Da Nang where it's gonna be hitting. So would definitely do not go out at that time because things can fly around, you know. You will not get flown away or something, or cars will fly out, but as you maybe know, Da Nang is one of the most construction sites on planet Earth, and all those little construction sites have lots of loose things, you know, and if you think about walking around that time, you might get hit with a metal bar or something. So better stay indoor, at least for the 12 hours when it's here. Or usually a typhoon hits through in 5 minutes, you know, and then it's a lot of rain before and a lot of rain afterwards. But yeah, this is how it looks right now. And then maybe we can see the flooding pumps in action now. Let's have a look. It looks like the water came all the way here. Crazy! Look at this! It's insane. So yeah, I think something bad is coming up. The world is gonna go. Oh, look at this. Now we see it. Look at this. If you've seen my videos often, I always tell you, oh, there's never something coming out. This is literally 1 meter high, this water now. And the sand got spilled in. So if this goes completely up, the water will not go away. So maybe we will have flooding too. Not sure. But I have not experienced flooding in this neighborhood yet. You will have flooding in some parts in Soncha and in Haichao, the city center. I'm glad my wife took already off from work between 23 and 25. or actually even longer than. So this is usually my biggest fear, because my wife, she does not care, you know. She's Vietnamese, they are not scared of rain or storms. They still drive motorbike, but I don't want her to drive. I don't want her to drive. Yeah, even I tell her, just take a Grab, I get you a Grab. Nah, take my motorbike. They take the motorbike for everything. The waves look very bad. I don't even think this is surfable. It's just a huge mess. There are no good waves produced over there.
Everyone's in their room.
No. Yeah. No one is out there. I don't know why. It's not a storm yet, but I'm here. It's just noontime now. We have a nice cyclist over there, and now a runner is coming. Yeah, I don't see why you should not run now, because maybe in 2 days it will not be possible. Then it will also not be possible for me to walk, probably. But yeah, don't forget, in the US 23rd, I think it will be my birthday, because here 24. I will start streaming in the morning probably. Hope I can make it from the villa to the breakfast room. Yeah, but we will see. We will see how it goes. But stay tuned. I will probably go live on my English channels as well. Yes, you can see here there's literally no one out there. There's no sunbed there anymore. We still have some sunbeds over here. You still can buy beer and hang out here, no problem. And today should be fine as well, no problem. Yeah, should be fine though, for today. There's still, it's rain off and on, and of course a little bit more wind. But like I said, the storm is not here yet. But we can also, another tip, I always say this in my videos as well, you can always look into your standard weather app and see what's going on. As you can see here, and you can also check out the next 12 hours. So the next 12 hours it just comes a little bit closer, but it will not hit us yet in the next 12 hours. So today will be fine. It will be very heavy rain in the evening already. They already said that. But no bad storm yet. Hopefully it gets weakened, or yeah, go somewhere else. Maybe go somewhere where you're welcomed, somewhere in the ocean or something. But not here, man. Yeah, this is always bad. Yesterday I arrived in Da Nang. My God, so long queues at immigration. Crazy. We also had a delay with Emirates for 1 hour. We were standing around in Bangkok, maybe because of the storm. I don't know why, but yeah, pretty bad. 1 hour delay. Then we arrived and we were lucky. We only waited 45 minutes. But I think if you've been delayed, the last people I saw on the queue, probably 2 or 3 hours. So if you really, really, really want to be 100% sure to not wait, get the fast track. The thing is with Da Nang, usually you're fine. Usually. So I would say from my personal experience here, I've entered Da Nang a lot of times by air, a lot of times, and maybe 1 out of or 2 out of 10 I had to wait more than 30 minutes. Okay, so 2 out of 10. So there's like a 20% chance in my experience that you have to wait longer than 30 minutes. But then if you are on this 20% and you're unlucky, you might wait 2 hours, you know. So just keep that in mind. If you say, you know what, the 20 bucks, I don't care, I only live once, I don't want to wait like a moron, then pay for it. Get the fast track and yeah, be 100% sure. But like I said, in Da Nang, it's usually not necessary Saigon, it's exactly the difference. It's 80-20, I would say. 80% you will wait 2 hours or something. Wow. This is, I have not seen this since the last typhoon last year that's gonna hit. That it will, everyone getting prepared for the big storm. Can still see the Lady Buddha. I hope she will do her job. She was very successful this whole year to keep away the storms, you know. Yeah. Let's hope it won't be that bad. Let's hope there won't be that bad of flooding. Yeah. The government here is very good with preparations. If it comes to the trees, they always trim the trees here. They cut the trees every time in the summer, every year. They fix that. So if there's heavy storm, there won't be trees flying around. It can always be the case, but they're very good with that. At least in the last 3 years I saw no bad tree mess like in Hanoi. Hanoi was a different story. That was the worst trees I saw on the streets. But Hanoi was probably not that prepared. I think Da Nang is very well prepared for any kind of storms. It's not the first, it's not the last. So yeah, I'm pretty sure everything's gonna be good. Everyone is preparing here. So not sure if you can still have a beer at the beach. Yeah, probably. I think maybe Paradise will probably still be open until the last day. But yeah. The wind is okay. I can still have my umbrella. But now the construction sites probably have to be very cautious. And oh my god, oh my god, oh! Now it's coming, now it's coming. Oh god, the wind is getting stronger. Hello! I'm gonna just hide here a little bit, then we're gonna continue. It does not rain though, but some wind gusts coming. Quick! Ah! Ah! Yeah, so this will be even stronger, very, very strong when, oh my god, now it's very hard to walk. But you know what, it's not even raining, I don't need my umbrella. As you can see here, Paradise, you can still have your beer. And if you're in Da Nang, enjoy your last beer now. Because probably tomorrow it will be closed, or the next day. The storm, I cannot see anyone in the ocean, even no surfers or anything. Yeah, be very cautious. Look at how close the water comes already. I don't think there is a tsunami chance here in this neighborhood, this area of the world. But yeah, I hope we will never find out here. Of course, a tsunami is with an earthquake, but just in general, I say. I'm wondering, oh jeez! Oh, now it's getting hard. Woo! Oh my god. Alright, don't forget to like this video, guys, and subscribe. I'm not sure what kind of video it will be out there tomorrow. It is today when I upload this. I will put in the timestamp and day as well at the beginning, of course. Yeah. So this is the update of the latest storm here in Da Nang. Fengshen, Typhoon, right here. It still looks beautiful though. You know? If I think about it, even with a storm, even with rain, I think it's still nicer than being in Germany with 10 degrees Celsius and rain. At least you can smell the sea. Nice. Thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.